Hello and welcome to Aliran Ad channel. In this video I will show you how I confirm my Facebook ID. So this confirmation is done to run political ads on Facebook platform. So they will ask you to verify your identity on your personal profile. So there are two types of verification. One is on business manager account, which is behind the Facebook ads platform, and one is on your personal profile. So yeah, and there is a new feature that you can turn your Facebook profile into business page, because in Facebook profile, the limited friend is 5,000. You cannot go beyond that. You cannot add followers more than 5,000. So they allow to convert your existing Facebook profile into business. So yeah, now let me attach a video how I confirm my Facebook Facebook account. So just to mention you 3 points that you need to be considered. First, you need to submit your valid card. It can be driving license, election card, PAN card. What I submit was PAN card. So to submit the PAN card, you need to have something on your mind that the picture of your card, it should look real, not auto-generated through AI or any website, because there are a lot of websites that generate a fake ID for Facebook confirmation process, but I will not recommend that. So what you need to do is take your ID card. Let's say what I did was I took my PAN card and just put small clothes on the floor which is black cloth, and put your card on that, and then just capture with your phone. So this is how they recommend when you go through their process of confirmation. So in this video, in this attached video, you will see how I did. So yeah, now you can watch the attached video how I did. Thank you so much for watching.